Hello gentlemen, welcome to Reaction Mechanisms and Rate Law Practice. Now the following problem is going to help us get some practice with relating rate laws to reaction mechanisms involving more than one step. So the following mechanism has been proposed for the gas phase reaction of H2 with ICl. H2 reacts with ICl and produces and yields HI plus HCl. That is your first step. The next step is this HI reacts with another molecule of ICl, producing I2 and HCl. So our first question is write the balanced chemical equation for the reaction. So to do that, we have to first add these two up and see what cancels, see what carries over. We see that we have HI being produced here and HI being used up here in the second step, so those two would cancel one another out. With that, for A, we'd get H2 plus 2 ICl producing I2 and 2 HCl. Only thing that is not included is the HI here in our reaction because it canceled out. So this would be the answer for letter A. And letter B, identify the intermediates in the mechanism. Well, by answering letter A correctly, we've already answered letter B. Your intermediate was HI, because the intermediate is a substance that is produced in an elementary reaction, which was the HI here, and it was also used up in an elementary reaction there. So that would be your intermediate. Okay, so now letter C. If the first step is a slow step and the second one is the fast step, which rate law do you expect to be observed for the overall reaction? So if my first here is the slow and this one is fast, we know that the slow step is going to be my rate determining step. So it's going to determine what my rate law looks like. So I don't even need to use my second reaction at all. And now my reactants are only the only substances that are going to govern the rate of my reaction. So the concentrations of my reactants are the only thing that are important in my rate law. So my rate is going to be equal to some constant K, and since I have H2 plus ICl, that is a bimolecular combination here. So I have H2 ICl, those two molecules, bimolecular. So my molecularity is just of the second nature, bimolecular, excuse me. So I have concentration of H2 times the concentration of ICl. And this would be the rate law that would govern this reaction just based on these two elementary steps here. So just, gentlemen, that's how you do A, B, and C of this reaction. Now, when you're given multiple steps here, like 1 and 2, you would determine the rate law here using molecularity.